Welcome back, video 2. Our next step is to get those little squares, right? Get the, where we get the circles right here. So we got to make we got to figure out how many we need. How are we going to do this, So basically, um, we say we got 90 VH. If we make them 5 VH a piece, and we have a 90 by 90 grid, we're looking at 90 divided by 5, 90 divided by 5. So we're looking at 18 times 18 grid if we want to make them 5 view heights big. So we go 18 times 18, 324. So we need 324 boxes. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to say it's data, an array, and I'm just going to do a for loop. So for I equals 0, as long as I is less than 324, I plus plus. And we're just gonna push I into the array. And now we have an array from 0 to 323. We have a 324 item array. Pretty simple. So in our light array, that's what we'll do. We'll map over that. I just use simple arrow function. Each item is going to be represented by that D, and then return in parentheses. So you don't have to use return. It's an automatic return block. So what are we going to return, though? We need another component. And we should make a new component because we need each component to have its own state to manage that color. So we can't have it be managed by the app because that's state for the whole app. So call it light. That's going to extend React.component. Render. Return a div as always. So now we can have it return that light component. For React, they're always going to want a key. It's good practice to have a key. Have the key be D. So we have this class name. We'll call it light box. So we go style that. And like we said, it's going to be 5 VH. We want them square, so even though it's width, we'll use the height to describe it. Make it a square. right now. We'll put a border on it for right now. But look, it's a problem. It's going straight down, so we need to change something about our letter right here. So we'll use Flexbox to solve this problem. So display flex, and we'll use the flex wrap property and assign a wrap to it. Now we've got that. Our border is screwing it up right now. Eventually we're going to remove that border. But for now, we'll just leave the border there. Because inside of it, that's where we're going to put the actual circle. Do 4.75 dh for this circle, just a little bit smaller. .75 dh, and we're going to give this a border radius. Now 50%, make it a circle. Add a border. Oh, class name. My mistake. And there, boom, we've got that. So now we've got our circles. We'll get rid of the border on this. Oh, that was the wrong thing to get rid of the border on. I'm going to get rid of the border on Lightbox. Sorry. And, we'll keep the border on the light array. That's more like it. But we want to make things stand out. We'll throw a background color. Like I said, try to get most of the styling out of the way. We'll put our light. Now we can't see that. And what we're going to do for the light, though, and maybe wondering, why don't we just make the background color white on the light? But we're going to want to mess with that background color later. So we're going to override it with an inline style. So inline style overrides a class. And you got to camel case it and use quotes for the property in React. So now we get that look right there. So we're winding down the video, but last thing we'll do is we'll put background color of black on the root as well. Now we got our board to work with, and next we'll start getting into the how to set up the colors.